showed you how to install the CMS software. This video will show you how to configure your address book. So what you do is just give a double click on your CMS icon, put in your password to access the program. It's 7 times. We just arrow on over to OK. When the program opens, the part we're concerned with here is the address book right here. We give that a click, and I'll be showing you how to input the information for a local connection to your DVR. So we'll just come up here and hit the add button, and I'm just going to use dummy information here. So we'll just give it a name. The name doesn't matter how it connects at all. It's just anything that will help you associate that DVR with that site. So our alias name, our description, we can leave it blank. Group, we'll just leave that as off. Our connect address, for a typical local IP connection, it would be something like a 192.168.1.12. It's the address we use for testing our DVRs before we ship them out. Our standard port is 2000. Leave the camera count at 16, and our default username is user1, and the password for that account is 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and type that one more time in the confirm box. And then we just hit our OK button. We see it's been added to our list, and we just close the address book. We see here on our server list, the on-site address book setting that I just created is right here. We see the icon as a dark blue, so we know it's not connecting because there's no DVR at that actual location. But if it had actually connected, we would see the icon would turn a bright white or a light blue. At this point, we would just drag it over and drop it off. And there we would see our camera images. Now once you leave the site location and you install the CMS software, say to your home PC, you would again go to your address book, give it a click here, and what you'll be using is public IP information. The name, the alias name, your description, group will stay as off, but instead of using the local IP address, you'll use your public IP address, the one assigned to you from your internet service provider. You see all this information here. It doesn't quite match the default, but just for demonstration purposes, I think you'll get the point. So that's really all there is for the CMS address book setup.